Good morning, everyone.
We are students of class 8 from Purngyananjali International School. I am Tuisha.
I am Manvi.
And today we are going to show you a fire alarm system.
A fire alarm system is a building system that is used to detect fire, smoke, carbon monoxide or other fire emergencies.
A fire alarm system can provide many benefits such as early detection, property protection, life safety and reduced risk.
Made this fire alarm system by using Arduino Uno, buzzer, LED light and battery and fire sensor.
Let us show you how this fire alarm system will work.
This is flame sensor. When fire comes closer to it, the buzzer beeps and the bulb glows. Thank you.